Hello, my name is Ashutosh, and today we will discuss one of the topic from arithmetic, which is percentage. So we'll try to understand what are the basic concept of percentages and what are the formulas which are required. Okay. Firstly, the definition. Percent means per 100 or out of every 100. So similarly, it is represented by this percentage sign. In general, when I'm saying that X percent, it means it is X over 100. If someone is saying 5%, it means it is 5 over 100. If someone is saying 8%, it means it is 8 out of 100, right? So this is the basic concept of the percentage. Percent means percent out of 100, correct? But when you have to solve questions based on the percentage, sometimes we get a bit confused that whether I have to multiply, divide, with the number 100 or with the number which is given. Just to make sure you don't get involved in all those things, we have one strategy which is known as translation in the percentages. Okay, so in translation, there are certain keywords we have to identify. Firstly, like if we have percent, we can use it for 1 by 100. If we have is, was, were, will be, we can use it for equal. If we have of, we can use multiplication. If we have what, how much, etc., we can use a variable as per that. Let's go with an example to understand the same. So let's say if we have something even like this, what is 10% of 20? Okay, or 20 is what percent of 10. Just when we flip the statement, sometimes it's get a bit confused whether I have to multiply with 100 or divide with 100, whether I have to multiply with the number 20 or divide with the 20. So if you don't want to get involved in all the things, you can simply use the translation as we have used here. What X is equal 10%, 10 by 100 of multiplication 20. So X is equal to 10 by 100 into 20. Now you can solve it, you can get the value of X from there. Similarly, you have other question, 20 is what percent of 10? 20 is means equal, what means X percent means by 100, of means multiplication and 10. So you can see if we have a question given in the statement where it's a bit confusing, where I have to multiply with 100, divide by 100, we can simply use the translation part using the keywords that we have seen here in the last slide, right? Now there's one question to answer here. It's saying that 50% of 32 is 10% of which number, right? So instead of just thinking about all those parts, like whether I have to multiply with the 50, divide the 100, multiply with the 100, or multiply with the 10, okay, you can directly go with the translation part. It's given 50% of means multiplication, 32 is means equal, 10% means divided by 100, of means multiplication, which number? X. You can simply solve it. You can see you are getting the value of X is equal to 32 into 5, that is equal to 160. So your answer is D here, and that is how you will be doing the questions based on translation in the percentage. Thank you.